close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Queen Koya coming back to you with another video. Today I will be showing you how I install these jewelry beads onto my locks. I purchased these from Spirit Locs. I will have her link in the description. So let's get started. We will start with 4 needles, a needle threader, 50 beads, and some brown thread. Here I will be threading all 4 of the needles that I showed you in the beginning, and here I will be prepping for each lock. First things first, we're going to start with our leave-in conditioner by IQ Collection. That will also be in the description bar. We're just spraying this on our hair so that our hair will be a bit moisturized when we get to installing the lock jewelries.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to...
Okay, here we're starting with a single bead. We're going to start by inserting the needle and thread through the lock, of course. And then once it's stopped, we're going to bring it back through the other side it came out of. And then we're going to start to insert our bead. Once you get your bead there, you're going to seal it up. Once you get it there, bring it through, then go back. Now you're going to seal the bead by inserting the needle through the actual bead again and going back through the lock. And that's how you would seal your bead. You make the bead tighter to. Next, you're going to insert the needle through the lock, through the inside of the lock, and push it all the way up to the next level you want to set your other beads, your next set of beads. So once we get it through the lock, we're going to bring it all the way up and then add our next bead. This is going to be a double beaded process. So you put your bead on, you go through the lock, and then you're going to come back through the lock, and we're going to seal our bead by going through the lock again, through the bead, and taking that back through the lock. And that makes the bead tighter to the lock. We're going to start with our next bead, and you're going to do the same thing with that process.
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
I know it may seem a little difficult, but it's not. You just have to have patience with yourself, and it's just like sewing on beads. So just make sure when you're threading that you're keeping the thread inside of the lock and not showing on the outside. Like this part, I got a little stuck. It was starting to come out a little sooner than I wanted to, so that can happen. And just insert it back in the middle and bring it up to the top wherever you want to stop, wherever you want to start your next beading. But like I said, you just have patience with yourself and you'll have a beautiful outcome.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For the sake of this video, I just did just a few just to show you how to do it, and I did the rest off camera, some on camera but off camera. Like I said, have patience with yourself and you'll have a beautiful outcome. It took me about 3 hours to finish my whole head because I also did like 6 beads on one. You don't have to do 6 on one. You can just do how many you want. That was just the design I wanted on my locks. So do what fits you, do what makes you feel comfortable, and you'll have a beautiful outcome. Trust me. So we're almost done here, and I'm going to show you pictures and glimpses of the finished product. It turned out beautiful. I love having jewelry in my hair. It makes it look so different. So this is the finished outcome. I just want to thank everyone that took the time out to watch my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if that's not too much for you. Thank you.